That's a strong tornado. I think the Dominator deployed in it. Did it intercept?
Oh yeah.
Oh, let's go.
On May 12th, 2023, a tornado outbreak is imminent across the state of Nebraska as a monster surface low is churning just overhead, overlapping an extremely moist air mass, creating the perfect environment for tornadoes. And as supercell storms develop over central Nebraska, I prepare for what's looking like my best tornado chase ever.
Ooh, that actually...
Yeah, that looks really promising.
Let's go down there.
Okay. Looks super promising, man.
At 2 p.m., a supercell is nearing the small town of Spalding, Nebraska. And just underneath the storm's base, we spot a suspicious lowering through the rain.
It's just a bull right now, yeah, it looks like. Oh man, look at that bull.
That's a tornado. That's a tornado. That's a tornado on the ground right there. Large cone.
At 2:20 p.m., the tornado touches down just 5 miles to our south.
Yeah, look at it now, man.
Turning left, we get a clear visual of 2 simultaneous tornadoes. A weak rope tornado dances to the east of a much more powerful cone-shaped tornado.
It's kind of muddy down here, Trent, just to let you know. But it's good, it's good. Yep. Still got twins.
There's a little to the left.
Yep. It's right there. There it is. Doing damage. I've got it right here. It's on the road.
Yeah, we see it.
Crossing now.
Right there.
Suction vortices. I'm gonna turn and point right at it here.
Is there a north option from that road?
No, we gotta go back.
Oh, do we?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Vortex.
Yep.
Gotta go now.
That thing is huge.
It's a big tornado.
As the tornado races off to the northwest, we quickly retrace our steps back north to Highway 91, where we plan to intercept the tornado as it crosses the road.
We still have a tornado?
It looks like you got rain wrapped up in it.
Yeah, I think it's to the right of the road. I don't know. I don't see a tornado, but it could still be on the ground. I can't tell. What's to the left? Is that it? Oh, wedge. There it is.
Where'd it at?
Large tornado, left of the road. Big wedge.
Oh, yeah.
Large wedge tornado.
Holy man. Look at that. Oh. It's a gorgeous tornado, man.
I think the Dominator deployed in it.
I got into it.
That is unbelievable.
Doesn't get much better than that, does it, Freddie?
Not really. Not really.
That was a top 5 for sure.
Oh my god.
Top 3 probably.
What just happened? That was a tornado.
That was a twister and it was twisting.
At 2:42 p.m., the Spalding, Nebraska tornado dissipates over the Sandhills after tracking across rural areas for just under 20 minutes. Ultimately, this tornado will only be rated an EF1 as it hit no structures along its 13-mile path, a dream tornado chase for myself and others, including Team Dominator, who successfully intercepted the tornado as it crossed US 281.